Question number 1 from section formula. In what ratio line segment divides x-axis? मतलब there is a Cartesian plane. There is a Cartesian plane. So this is what? This is we have y-axis. This is we have x-axis. Right? There are 2 points given to us. These are, there is point x, that is 2 comma minus 3. So 2 comma 1 2, 2 comma minus 3, 1 2 3. So this will be here. So this is x, 2 comma minus 3. Then we have y, 5 comma 6, 2 3 4 5. इधर चलेंगे 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if we bring this line here like this and this like this, so they will intersect like this. So this is, we get 5 comma 6, right? When we draw a line like this, right, so what happens? It will be what? It will be x comma 0 on x axis. ये लिखा है ना, divides by x axis. Also the, so we have to say this is m1, this is, yeah, m2, right? So now if we take y is equal to m1 x2 प्लस इसको हमने 1 लिया, इसको हमने 2 लिया, राइट? सो m1 x2 प्लस m2 x1 अपॉन m1 प्लस m2. y is 0, तो 0 into m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 x2 is, oh sorry, y is equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 upon m1 plus m2. Cross multiply, so 0 bracket into m1 plus m2 is equal to m1 y2 is 6 plus m2 y1 minus 3 into minus 3, right? So this 0 becomes 0. So 0 is equal to 6 m1 minus 3 m2, right? So what you get? You can write 3m2. Am I correct? 3m2 is equal to 6m1, right? So what you do, 3 upon 6 is equal to m1 upon m2. So 1 times 3 becomes 3, 2 times 3 becomes 6. So we get m1 upon m2 is equal to 1 by 2. Right? This is we are getting the value of m1 m2 ratio. And next is x. Now x, so we have m1 is equal to 1 or m2 is equal to 2. So now x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2. So what is x? X we have to find. M1 is 1. 1 into x2 is 5 plus m2 is 2. This is how much? 2 times 2 becomes 2 na? Upon m1 is 1 plus 2. So this is what you get, 5 plus 4 upon 5 plus 4 upon 3. So it becomes 9 by 3. 3 times 3 becomes 9. So x is equal to 3. So coordinates of point on x-axis is 3, 0. Getting? This is the solution of the question. M1 M2 is equal to x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 upon m1 plus m2, like this. We have done first one. Now 19th. Should I rub? Question number 2. What is that? Let M is the point of a line segment XY whose one end is 0, 0. Find the coordinates of the other end. Okay. So this is the Cartesian plane we have. Say this is the Cartesian plane. This is y-axis. This is x-axis. It is, I am presuming, right? And there is a line. Which is starting from origin. Its coordinate is 0, 0, right? And it is given you, ये लाइन है XY, ठीक है? अगर हम इसको, ये ओरिजिन है, ओरिजिन के कोऑर्डिनेट्स एंड इट्स गिवन यू x के कोऑर्डिनेट्स आपको 1 के दिए गए 0, 0 एंड द मिड पॉइंट ऑफ दिस लाइन इज m
minus 3, 5.
-3, 5 एंड सेकेंड कोऑर्डिनेट के हमें ये है हमारा y, राइट. सो दिस इज मिड पॉइंट. So if we find the coordinates, then what happens? X midpoint is equal to x plus xx plus xy by 2, right? And this is -3. So -3 is equal to what? हमें इधर जानी चाहिए थी, सेकेंड क्वाड्रेंट की लाइन थी, बट एनीवे it's just imaginary function, right? It is not with respect to, not with respect to coordinates, respect to coordinates. It is just for understanding. So this is -3 into 2, -3 into 2 is equal to x is equal to 0 plus xy. So what is -6 is equal to xy, right? Now y is equal to ym is equal to yx plus yy upon 2. So midpoint is 5. 5 into 2 is equal to y x का y जो है वो 0. तो 0 प्लस y. तो ये कितना हो गया? 10 is equal to y, right? So it becomes, so coordinates of y point y of line segment xy is y is equal to y coordinates are what? -6, comma 10. -6, 10. So it is -6, 10. You get this?